Hi, I'm Peter, an engineer, educator and founder of Tech Explorations. Over the last decade, I've helped thousands of learners build a strong foundation in electronics. And this course is your next step after Introduction to Electronics. It's all about analog filters, how they work, how to build them and how to use them in real projects. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design and build low-pass, high-pass, band-pass and band-stop filters. You'll calculate cutoff frequencies, simulate responses using Python, and test circuits using real lab tools like the Analog Discovery 3. Whether you want to clean up noisy sensor data or shape an audio signal, you'll know exactly which filter to use and why. In this course, you'll learn how to build RC and RL filter circuits, analyze filters with the Bode plots and phasors, use filters in real-world applications like audio shaping, debouncing and signal smoothing, combine filter stages to achieve second-order responses, simulate filters in Python, and review the mathematics behind filter design with a focused algebra primer. This course is made for graduates of Introduction to Electronics, my first course in this series, who are ready to dive deeper. It's also suitable for anyone interested in first-order filters that has a good grasp of the basics. If you want to design better circuits and understand analog filtering, this course is for you. Thanks for watching. Click enroll now or try the free preview lessons. Let's explore analog filters together.